Pabagsak ba ang Philippine stock market? Hi everyone, this is JM Ang, and in this video, we're going to talk about yung PSEI or the Philippine Stock Index will create an update. Let's talk about ano ba yung pinupuntahan niya, what are the factors that's affecting the prices, and the possible things we can actually do from here onwards. And if you're liking videos of this, like these, just click the subscribe button on the button over there, and of course, like the video as well. Okay, punta na tayo sa video na yan. Alright, so this is actually the PSEI, or this is actually in Instagrams, where we always check how the stock markets are doing. And right now, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index actually went down to 6,000 plus, and now we're back at 7,000. We're at the weekly view. Ibig sabihin ng weekly view, one candle is per week. And as you can see, it's still looking what? It's still looking as a uptrend kasi kaya nga tayo nag-update ng ganito para natututo po tayo ng mga lessons. Mukha pa rin siya uptrend. Lower, higher low, higher low, higher low, and this still closed as a higher low, right? So if that's the instance, check natin kung higher high ba ang nabibuild. So in this case, higher high, pero dito hindi na siya nag-higher high. This is also not a higher high. So in effect, parang ang dating niya, we're moving at a range motion. Pataas siya, pero hindi siya totally pa-breakout pa na bullish in the end. But if we look at the lower time frame wherein we go to the daily time frame, ayan, tingnan po natin sa daily time frame, no? As you can see here, we actually went down. We actually went down sa mga key levels na ito. As you can see here, it went down yung 7,000 na psychological support. Ibig sabihin na psychological support, people look at that value o it's a significant value. Tingnan natin siya mabuti, no? As you can see, one aspect na makikita natin dyan is this one. It broke down, but it went back up. Okay? So, that's a good sign. Ibig sabihin, bumawi yung mga buyers. Dumating yung buyers and agad-agad siyang bumalik ng prices. But again, it's retesting this area, and this significant area right now is actually gonna be definitely be tested kasi nga we came from a trend. So nagte-trend siya pataas, pero na-break niya yung trend na yan, and to think na parang it stopped here, so pwede siyang bumaba patuloy pababa, or pwede siyang mag-recover, tapos aakyat ulit siya dito. Ang important siya, three things we need to take note is we need to recover back into this small uptrend on the daily time frame. Okay? Unless, kung hindi tayo ma-maintain yung small uptrend na yan, ang tendency ng market, which is I hope not, but based dito lang sa drawing natin, is that pwede siyang bumaba. Okay? So, bakit siya bababa? Kasi nga, we broke a support, then it went up, retested the support, turned resistance. Now it's gonna go either down, and this is actually an area of value. Ibig sabihin, itong lugar na to, this demand zone is important. If nabasag yan, sellers come in, yon, tendency niyan tutuloy-tuloy po siya pababa. And how low can it go? Pwede tayo bumaba to 6,500 levels kasi ito na po yung next significant area natin. If we do break that psychological support. Okay, clear ba yun? I hope you're learning from this video. If you are, don't forget to like the video as well. So, as you can see here, ayan, picture lang natin siya. So, if you see these pictures, it's all about taking time na anong na yung gagawin ko. Now that you see the market is going in a sideways move, or actually it's retesting kung ako ba ay magiging bearish na or pababa na ba ako or tataas pa. So, unsure ang movement ng market. So, on my case, I usually just stay out of the market. I just check kung meron ba akong specific stock that I want to check. So, isa sa mga chine-check ko usually dyan is one of my favorites, yung Semirara. So, I always mention Semirara. And as you mentioned, bumaba siya to the 26 price. Pero, agad-agad siyang nag-recover. So, that's a good sign for me. Ang ibig sabihin lang kasi noon, nag-pull back siya. No? So, let's actually test yung mga pinag-share ko dati ng mga theories. No? This is actually the broken resistance. It broke out of that resistance. And tingnan nyo, niretrace, the resistance became support. Okay, so para ma-appreciate nyo yung mga learnings natin na pinagagawa for the past ilang weeks of videos. And yeah, it took a while bago na natin nalabas tong video. At nyo, brinake nyo tong resistance, it went back, tested the resistance which turned into support, and now it's going back up again. You might be wondering, okay, Jem, ano ba meron? Bakit nagtumaas ang SEC? Kasi tumaas po ang nickel prices, naging supply and demand. Tumaas yung price ng supply, same pa rin ang demand. So, ibig sabihin, tataas din ang stock price ng Semirara, which is actually one of the big nickel producers in the Philippines. Another concern, siguro good analysis din for the PSEI is, tinan natin. Okay, hindi siya lumalabas. Stock. Ayan, Philippine Stock Index. Ayan, ano nangyayari sa kanya? Itong drop na to, this is due to what? Yung constant increase ng gasoline prices. Affected po yung mga companies because they're experiencing it na, shucks, tuloy pa ba ang negosyo? Tataas pa ba ang margins nila? Knowing na bababa ang kita dahil sa higher gas prices. I hope you're learning na may mga ganun impact po siya. And right now, the reason being that we're moving sideways movement tayo sa stock market dahil yan sa election. I mentioned this before, we're still waiting for election and that's what? First week of May pa. Matagal-tagal pa po, 1 to 2 months pa po antayin natin, and from there, that's where the market will decide where to go. And let's quickly check on other stocks. Gusto ko tingnan yung BDO kasi bangko siya. And I'll create another videos on BOC kasi nga ililist ang BOC. As you can see in BDO, sideways movement din ang ginagawa niya. Bakit ko nasabing sideways? Again, we're still in this support. This is a support zone. And pansinin nyo dito, hindi siya nagbe-break ng kanyang resistance. O, di ba? Hindi siya nagbe-break ng resistance niya. Pagkatapos niya mag-break yung unang resistance, bumalik lang din siya sa previous support. Tapos ngayon, no, what we're seeing is this one. Nung nag-break, dito, unang break niya sa support, sa resistance ito, na-break niya, na-reject, bumaba ulit siya dito. Ano nangyari? After bumalik niya dyan sa dating support, umakyat, pero hindi na niya na-break tong previous resistance. Nag-stop na siya dyan, bumaba na ulit. So, it's gonna come down here. Let's see what will happen. It will probably do this and come back again, then one more, and then go down. Or, dami talagang forecasting na pwede magganap. It'll come back, bounce again, double bottom, tapos babalik ulit siya dito, i-retest niya yung resistance. And that's if that happens, that looks like a good chance to buy, kasi tingnan nyo, W, win. Win yung chances niya. So I hope you learned from that video. And if you're excited to learn more, don't forget to follow and subscribe. And of course, see you again in the next video. I'll talk about BOC na IPO kasi nga a lot of friends have been asking me, JM, create a BOC video. What do you think about BOC? So later on pag-usapan natin siya. See you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep on learning, keep on growing, and of course, join the Rich Friends community para marami po kayong matutunan every single time. Bye!